Okay, I'm trying out Rehearse with Coach, and it's in PowerPoint. You go to slideshow, you click Rehearse with Coach, and then this screen comes up. I've made just a quick question there, and it says start rehearsing. I'd like to tell you about a job that I have already done, but in a different context. So I've been a teacher all my life. I've always loved teaching, and I've taught in lots of different places. I've taught at universities, young learners. I thought I had done everything until a few years ago, I went to work at the local, it's called an institute, and it was really hard for me to adapt to that kind of teaching. It was just a completely different environment. It was more like a state school where you get big classes, huge classes, and lots. Oh, so it's telling me try not to use too many fillers like okay. And you have to keep track of everybody. Every single person in this class had to be tracked on absolutely everything that they did. So you spent about 10% of your life teaching. The rest of it was spent dealing with student issues, people being late, having problems, and you had to keep writing reports about them. And if they missed a class because they didn't get out of bed, that increased the pressure on you to make sure that they got the materials from the class so that they didn't miss anything. So every day, 10 out of 20 people didn't come to class. And I had to spend like 10 minutes for each one telling them what they'd missed. So they just had a nice lie in, but it created a lot of work for me. And I found that really difficult. I was really impatient and it made me very unhappy. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to test it now. Let's see what it says. Oh, this is interesting. Your pace is just right. Keep it up. To sound more polished, confident, try to avoid filler words. Try using synonyms to avoid repetition. Very. Okay. Pronunciation sounded clear. Avoided reading the text aloud. Low pitch variation will make your audience lose interest. Try increasing the tone for key points. Okay, so my tone went very low and boring there. All right, so I'm going to try and fix that next time. Excellent. So it works. It definitely works. Okay, chat later. Bye-bye.